Are you having issues with the unable to verify that you have access Roblox error? Don't worry. Here's the solution. First, try refreshing your Roblox page to see if the error gets fixed. If the error still persists, try logging out and logging back into your Roblox account. Sometimes, logging out and back in helps reestablish communication with the Roblox server. The next thing you can try is checking your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection, or simply disconnect and reconnect your internet to refresh it. Also, another helpful step is to clear your browser cache. To do this, search for Clear Browsing Data in your browser settings, then Clear Cookies and Cached Images and Files. After clearing them, click Delete, then refresh your Roblox webpage. Now try logging in and out again to see if the error is fixed. If it still doesn't work, the last thing you can try is uninstalling and reinstalling the Roblox app on your device. Once reinstalled, open it and check if the problem is solved. And that's how you can fix the unable to verify that you have access Roblox error step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and fixes.